Hi sweet friend, my name is Watercolor Smith and I'm the artist behind Color Snack. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am really excited to share with you my 7 days of summer series. Up next we have a beach umbrella and a beach ball, so in case that you are stuck at home and you can't escape to the beach like me, we can still pretend that we're having a little mini vacation by painting this. For our another little beach scene is we're gonna do an umbrella, a beach umbrella, and a beach ball. So typically I don't like to use pencils, but I am gonna use one here just to kind of show you my thought process. So I am going to essentially do like a half, or it's like a curved shape. So if you can kind of, it resembles like half of an oval or half of a circle. And then I'm gonna do another slight curve. So instead of it being flat, it's gonna be slightly curved. And that's the main shape of the umbrella. And then we're gonna have a little pointy stick here. And then we're just going to divide this shape into a series of triangles. And then we're gonna add these little flaps, which are essentially little rectangular shapes that accompany each of these umbrella partitions. And then so we have the little stick here, and then we're gonna pretend that it's going to continue. So essentially two little parallel lines, and then a rough sketch of the beach. And then let's see, we can add, I think I'm gonna add the beach ball on this side. Maybe I should have drawn that first. So I'm gonna erase this little line, and it's roughly like a little circular shape with a little button to the side. And then we're gonna do kind of like little curves inside here, just to give it like a rough, it doesn't have to be super precise, but you know, the beach balls, they kind of have that fun little pattern, essentially made up of a bunch of curves. So that's pretty much it. Now we get to go into the fun part and actually painting this beach umbrella with the colors of your choice. So I think I'm gonna start with a little bit of an orange here. I'm not really sure why I started there, so I'm just gonna add the green here. And I am being super loose and playful here, so I don't necessarily care that these colors are blending into each other. But if you're not a fan of this look, you can always wait until this dries. And I actually kind of like the way it's turning out to be. So I'm just like going into a few random colors and not really thinking much about, oh, is this like the right, does this look like an umbrella color? You know, it doesn't really matter. See, I'm gonna use probably like an orange for the stick. Going back into my yellow ochre for the beach, the sand. And to give it a little bit, you know, so it looks like there's a shadow here, I'm gonna mix in a little bit of purple with the yellow ochre. So you see that it's kind of, it's making it dull and dark, but this is like a nice way to represent shadows. So because purple and yellow, mixing them together makes this dull color, it actually is a really nice way to add some dark areas into our sketch. Let's see, I'm gonna make this beach ball fun and playful. There we go. And I think for the background, I'm just gonna use a light blue color. I really encourage you, so you see I'm holding my brush kind of over here at the top of the brush, which allows me to like be really playful with my brush strokes. So I'm not being super careful here. I just want to enjoy playing with colors, pretend like I'm at the beach a little bit. Oops. So let's see, I could fix this. I'm going to clean off my brush and I can actually lift off that accidental drop. One last thing that we could do here. So my colors did bleed into each other, but I want to lift off just a little bit of a highlight on each of these parts. So I'm just coming in with a clean brush and lifting off just a little bit of the color. I actually kind of like this. This is such a fun accidental mix of colors that, you know, even if I would have intended for that to happen, it would not have. So it's kind of fun to see. It's like if you treat it as an experiment, you might be surprised at what happens. Let's see, a little bit more pink back, adding the pink back in. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm just adding in a few little quick brush marks for the sand, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will continue to create fun and approachable watercolor tutorials. See you in the next one.